Yes, people, in today's video we're gonna look how to remove Yahoo Search from Google Chrome. If you have installed Yahoo and it was a mistake, you can easily remove it by the following steps. Down in my bar, I have Google Chrome and I quit it. And I started over again and I'm gonna show you. By the way, if you subscribe to my channel, that would really help me. And now we click Google Chrome and you see the Yahoo is popping up and I don't want it anymore. I want Google again. So what you do, you're gonna click by Google Chrome at the top bar. You click Chrome and then you click Preferences, and you see at the left you see this menu, and you can see your extensions. And if you have some spammy things, most of the times what Chrome does, Chrome installs an extension for you and you don't know it, and you will see your extensions here and you can easily remove them or turn them off. If you turn them off, you switch the on off button. I turn it off. And if you want to remove it completely, you just click remove. If you want to report abuse, well, you can do it, but I don't do it now because it's normal, it's functional, but I don't want it anymore. So I remove it, and you go to the remove exit, and it's another page of Yahoo. You can click it away, and then you see no Yahoo anymore. So let's see if it worked. And I quit Google Chrome again. And I click Google Chrome again, and you see I go to the search of Google right now. So, really quick video. That was it. I hope I helped you. Leave in the comments if you have any questions, and I see you next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.